welcome to another Wednesday's Words of Wisdom. Today, we're going to talk about some of the items that you all received in the student resource bags. And this one is going to focus on writing because all students K through 5 receive some sort of writing support piece. You all received a dry erase marker. K through 2, you received paper that looks like this that has the writing on the lines, with the lines to really work on forming those letters correctly. And it also has an illustration portion. 3 through 5, you received one that looked more like a letter, like you can write a letter. However, you can always turn it on the back to complete activities like I'm going to discuss in just a second to work on everyday writing that they are maybe doing. Some things to keep in mind when we are working on our writing with our students, we really want to make sure that they are forming their letters correctly. They have correct spacing between words to form complete sentences. All sentences begin with a capital letter. They have some sort of punctuation. And we are working on complete thoughts, whether it's complete thought in a sentence or a complete thought in a paragraph based on the topic that is given. So for today, I'm going to share with you two different sets of prompts. We have a kindergarten through second grade writing prompt that you can click on, and it takes you to some different things that you can do for your kindergarten through second grade students. Now, each of these can be taken in a different level. Kindergarten, you may just be a simple write a sentence. That's our goal, is to write at least a sentence, and then illustrate it. So they can simply come, if they picked, oh no, the sleigh is missing. How will Santa deliver the pink presents? So a student may be, Santa will deliver the picture or deliver the presents through an airplane. So they're working on that writing and then simply draw a picture at the top, all while working on forming those letters. Whoop, that one's backwards. So we want to make sure that we help correct writing it correctly, capitalization and continuing, and we have our period wherever it may be. First grade, let's work on writing a couple sentences that support our picture. Then draw a picture with your topic. And we're also working on that as well, making sure our pictures match our story or our sentences. In second grade, you can write a couple sentences that correlate, all while working on our handwriting, our spacing, complete thoughts, capitalization, and punctuation. For 3 through 5, we have provided these prompts. Now, these are a little bit different than kindergarten through second grade. These are a little more specific. So we have opinion writing, informational writing, and narrative writing. And these are all things that they have been working on in their classrooms. So for example, as an opinion piece, there are many great Christmas songs. What is your favorite Christmas song? Explain why you like the song and what it means to you. So I would simply have them turn the paper over, and then they can write on the back of that writing letter piece. And they can do the same thing here. Now, the key with these writing prompts is making sure that we're matching the prompt and hitting all pieces that are asked. So, for example, we may write what the favorite Christmas song is, but I want you to explain why and what it means to you. So making sure that they add in those elements as well. Now, these pieces can be used all throughout the school year to support the writing that happens in the classroom, or just to work on letter writing, forming those letters, to work on sentence writing. It can be done at any time. The great thing is it's in a dry erase, or it's in a sheet protector, which allows you to erase it and reuse it several times. We hope this helps you with some writing tips and tricks, and we will see you next Wednesday.